Today I'm making a short video about a game you can play if you have Netflix. It's called Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge. If you have an Android device, over here you can install it and play. It'll ask you for your Netflix login, and you'll see over here it says Netflix. You could click on that and see other Netflix games, I believe. Same goes for iOS. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge is also available if you have a Netflix account. And so the reason I was actually looking at this because I was planning to get it for the Nintendo Switch. You can see over here it's usually $25 or $24.99, and it's on sale right now for $16. So you can also get it for PC over here through Steam. Sorry about that. And anyways, again, this game is available if you have a Netflix account. It's made by Netflix. Not made by, but they're distributing it so you can play through the Netflix account. So if I press play here, you'll see Netflix loads. And I already put in my Netflix login, so it's going to load the game. Whereas over here, I don't have Netflix loaded yet, and it takes me to this welcome screen where I need to log in. But I think this is a pretty decent game, so if you're looking for something to play using your Netflix account, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on an Android device, tablet or phone, or iPhone or iPad, might want to give it a try. And also, I'll include a link where you can see what are the free stuff that's available. Over here, where you can use this URL, or likewise this URL for iPad and iPhone apps that are available for Netflix. I don't know if what's it called? Netflix does a great job of advertising their games. I don't really know, so I can't even find it on this list easily, so it's on them.